Good afternoon, worship enthusiasts and newbies. You are not in the den. We're not going down that rabbit hole. Something completely different. Cooking with Cal. I'm not cooking anything, but I'm going to show you a video I saw the other day. We've been playing disc golf all day. It's been hot out. You want something refreshing? Saw a video. Very simple. 3-4 ingredients. Half the recipe. 2 limes. Cut them like they owe you money. I'm quartering them. We don't have a blender, so we're using this NutriBullet magic bullet thing. 2 whole limes with seeds, or with skin on. Throw it into the magic bullet. Grab 2 cups cold water. Into that it goes. Screw the top on. Put it into the magic bullet. Gonna get noisy. Out of there it comes. Strainer. Now, strain all of that out. I'm going to give this a rinse. And the blades. Just going to grab a glass to squish all the juices out of there. Put that in the garbage, we're done with that. So, you're left with this water, lime juice. Put that back into the magic bullet. Then what you take is half a can of sweetened condensed milk. I opened a can yesterday. It was a no-name brand. 300 milliliters, so about 150 milliliters. Then you take, it says 2 cups of ice. I don't know what 2 cups of ice looks like, so a bunch. Cover back on. Let's all mix this up back in the magic bullet. Now, for a super refreshing, sweet lime drink after playing disc golf all afternoon. Oh God, that's good. Cheers. Thanks guys for watching.